welcome back. I hope you're all okay, or welcome if you're new. Do you like my new intro? I love it. I've spent so long on it. I have received a gorgeous package off of Madame Glam and I can't wait to show you. To celebrate Pride Month, the month of Pride, we have Neon Unity, their new collection. Oh my gosh, look at them. They are so nice. I think this one is my favourite, Orchid Glam. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm thinking lots and lots of different nail ideas using this colour and I cannot wait. It is going on my nails pretty soon. Love it. So I'm not going to swatch them because I am going to use every single colour in this set. Electric denim. Oh my gosh. Look at that blue. It is so pretty. It reminds me of a mixture between New York Blue and Ready Set Ski. It's gorgeous. And a little bit of like Mama Bear at the same time. So nice. Shine On, which is a glittery syrup gel. They're all, 4 of them are glittery and 4 of them aren't. And they are very pigmented, but they're all syrupy gel polishes. And they go on so freaking smooth. It's mental. Love wins, obviously, all the time. Love wins. And this colour, holy moly. It is that perfect, like, in your face, neon, electric, hot pink. And it's gorgeous. I love it. All of the colours. Just wait. Just look at this one. Look at this one. Empower. And it is, again, like the neon pink, in your face, orange. Electric, neon, vibrant orange, and it is gorgeous. But even the glittery ones like the green, holy moly, Sizzling Lime, yeah, Sizzling Lime. It is so pretty. They're all syrupy, they're all so smooth to go on, they're all super pigmented, cure in 30 seconds, and they are an absolute dream to blend, which is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a lot of blending. We want to do it's kind of Pride because of the rainbow colours. This is Neon Honey, again, gorgeous, but I didn't want to do like rainbows and clouds and, you know, the generic Pride nails. I wanted to do a little bit something different, and I'm getting into a lot of character nails. And I also have something else that I've made that I wanted to show you that I haven't used yet until this video. Which one was that? Was that Rose Glitz? Oh, it's just beautiful. All of them are, and I can't pick a favourite. The orange, the pink, the blue, all of the ones that aren't glittery I think are my favourites, but all the glittery ones are just beautiful. So we're taking, I forgot what it was called, Orchid Glam, and we're going to do like a 4 colour ombre on this nail. There's only going to be 4 nails, so we're going to do the Orchid Glam. Don't cure that. You don't need to have a super straight line. And then we're going to take the gorgeous electric Love Wins. It is so pretty. It's almost red. It's that deep and vibrant. It's almost red. It's just beautiful. And then next to that, we're going to have the orange Empower. And then we're going to do the blue Electric Denim. And we're going to take the ombre brush and we're just going to blend. And it's going to need 2 coats. Once you've blended, then they can be cured, and then do a second coat. I want to ask a few questions to you guys. What do you want to see in a nail design? Are there any ideas that you have that maybe you can't do yourself, that maybe you'd like me to do or see me do? Throw them over and I'll put them down, and maybe we'll do like a little wheel spinny thing, like every week your design gets created in a video or something. That's an idea. I might do that. Let me know what you think. Do you like the character nails? I know they're not for everybody. They are quite tricky. That's why what I want to show you has made it so much easier and less time consuming as well. Honestly, when I saw there's a lady that actually makes them, And I was like, I need to buy all of the sets that she's made. And then I was like, hang on a minute, I can do this. I can make them myself, like catered to me, designed for me, that I can use. So I can use every single thing. You'll see. Giving away too much. And don't forget that you can save 30% at Madame Glam using my code ℎ𝐿𝑖�TLE_NAILROOM30. It's in the top left of the screen and it'll be linked down below along with the whole of this collection plus anything else that I'm going to use. I do use a few other bits. So it is Father's Day right now in the UK. So it is, what time are we on? Sunday, we are 1 p.m. The girls gave their dad their gifts this morning. Oh, they're so cute. I absolutely love them. I love that they are old enough and they earn their own money, that they can just order things. And they did the same thing for Mother's Day as well. I was asking Ryan and he was like, I had no part of this whatsoever. They ordered everything, they prepared everything, and it was amazing. And now that they've done the same for the dad, I just love it. But we woke up, sat in the garden, had a coffee, and then we planted about 500 bulbs in the garden, and like within 2 weeks some of them bloomed already. So every morning we go out and have a quick check, see if there's any more flowers popping up. So we had a coffee, we sat in the sunshine. I think it's gone away again. Yep, it's cloudy and grey, typical UK weather. We checked the bulbs, and then by the time we came back in, all the kids were awake and they were waiting for Ryan to open his presents. And then we've just lounged for about an hour, had showers, had baths. I'm doing the voiceover, and then we're going to go and see my dad, and then we're going to go and see Ryan's stepdad. And I think we're going to play a little bit of cricket and then come home and relax. What are your plans for today? So on one nail we've blended 4 of the colours. We blended Orchid Glam, Empower, Love Wins and Electric Denim. Then we did Electric Denim and Sizzling Line blended together. Then Neon Honey and Shine On. And then for the last one, we're going to do Rose Glitz and Orchid Glam. Rose Glitz and Orchid Glam together. They're going to have 2 coats as well. And I'm using Madame Glam's ombre brush to ombre all of those. And then I can finally show you what I've been banging on about the thing that I made that I know someone else has created. I'm not going to sell these of mine. It's just for me only. But it's this. So, I can't remember the lady's name, but her company is called MSK Nails, if that's right. So she sells laminated, you can have a digital copy where you can print and laminate yourself, or she can do it for you and you pay a bit extra and she'll ship it out to you. But I was looking at them for about a month or so, and I was like, I can make this. I can do this myself. Mine isn't obviously as good a quality as hers, but the principle is all the same and it works. It actually works. So I've seen a lot of people use those little those little printers, those tiny little printers that you can connect to your phone. I've seen people do that with like put some sellotape over the top or whatever. But I've got a laminator and I've got Canva and I've got Cricut and all of that. So I thought I will give it a go. So the first 2 that I did, the first one was atrocious, but it still went on the nail, poor buttercup. So black gel paint from Madame Glam, 30 seconds cure. I do all of the black first, like all the outlines and everything except for the eyes. And then once that is cured, I go in with white gel paint. I also use a nude from Beetles, number A256. I think it's called Bella Light. I think it was my favourite nude from Beetles / anywhere else, but I've had some more amazing nudes from other companies that I've like totally stepped up the mark. It's brilliant. But yeah, and I'm going to use the Sizzling Lime on her clothing and her eyes as well. So take your time and just try and fill in little bits at a time, trying to keep it super thin. Learn off this one, the thinner the better, because we're essentially creating a sticker. Can you remember like back in the day we used to get foil or cling film, or like the plastic sleeves, the plastic wallets, put normal nail varnish on in little dots or love hearts and then peel them off and put them on. I used to do that all the time. So this is essentially that, but on a bigger scale, on a more detailed scale. And the same again for when you've got a base coat over the top of it, and once it's all cured, the thinner the better, like super thin. And when I peeled it off the first time, that's when I realised that it has to be so much thinner than what you think is thin. Make sure you wipe off the sticky inhibition layer, the front and the back, before applying, just in case there's any uncured gel on the underside, and then if it moves it smudges and then you've cured it in place by accident. Also cut off the excess of the base coat around the edge, get it as close as possible. At first I was just trying to stick it down to the sticky inhibition layer, stick it on wet gel paint, gel polish, and then I realised after trial and error onto the fourth one of the Powerpuff Girls logo, grab some foil glue gel, give that a 90-second cure. It is the stickiest substance known to man, and it is perfect for doing this. So I've done the black outline, then I've taken pink gel paint, do the Powerpuff Girls writing, yellow gel paint for the stars, and then I go around the Powerpuff Girls writing again where it's black, and then I put base coat over the top, cure it, peel it off, and then I'm going to flip it over and fill in the back with the black, because I thought that's going to be so much easier. I don't have to spend too much time and it's really finicky. So I thought if I do the back of it, I'm not going to make nearly as many mistakes as if I was going to go around every single letter. And again, once it's cured, wipe off the sticky inhibition layer, trim it as close to the picture as possible, and using the nail glue gel, rhinestone glue gel. I think I say that far too often because it is the best, rhinestone glue gel, but their foil glue gel is the best as well, in my opinion. So yeah, that makes it stick really well. I'm grabbing the silicone tool from Madame Glam just to smooth out any of the little air pockets or anything. And then I'm going to put a nice generous layer of base coat over all of them just to smooth anything out. And then I'm going to grab, because I feel like they were missing something, I'm going to grab the Super Cat Eye Gel Polish from Madame Glam again and just do lots and lots of lines and bits and use the magnet to zhuzh it all up. I highly recommend making your own little laminated picture sheet, or if you haven't got a laminator, or if it's too much effort or you don't know what to put on there, you're worried about getting the wrong sizes, I'll leave a link to MSK Nails and go and give them a try. I think I might go and order me some from her. I'm so glad I made it and I cannot wait to use it again. It was so easy. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to stick around to the end of the video to see the final result. And I'll see you all in the next one. I hope whatever you're up to today, you have a good day and the weather stays nice for you. If you're celebrating Father's Day, wish them a happy Father's Day from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.